Forecast 12. That's the brand with the Sears. Actually, Smith Corona manufactured for Sears. When I check the typewriter database from the Sears, this one is the most expensive typewriter for manual, because this is Italic Typeface, so that's why it's $133 around 1960, most expensive typewriter from the Sears brand. This one, couple issues. See, there is a scratchy here, right? This part is scratchy. So when you move around here, it's continually this carriage lock lever touch this cover. So first I thought this lever was bented, so I looked at carefully, but it was not. The problem is the inside, under the this cover, there is a screw. This screw, this one, it was loosened. So that's why at both sides, another one is this one is a lot loosened the screw. That's why this one move freely a little bit to the backward this side. So that means this lever continually hit this one. So I screw again tightly. So after that, it was fixed. Another thing is when I hit the number button, especially around here, when this type return around here, it was stuck like this. So I checked around here, the cover, this cover continually bothered during this return. So I think this plastic cover a little bit bent from to the keyboard side. So maybe a little bit we need bent the other side, then it will be fixed, because after remove the outside cover, it works perfect. And then another thing is the Q key, after hit, it's not it does not lay down completely like this, always like this. So I check the connection part, and then I realized the bottom line, the leakage over here, this one totally bent like this side. So I little bit make like this side, this one. So that's why it was happened. So right now it's okay. Right now, see, they completely lay down, right? Before, always stay here. So that's why because the inside one was bented. Which one? Yeah, this one. See, inside this one was bented, so I rebent it to the other side, and then it's right now working perfect. One more thing. This is stay here. So for just it's like cover, not to see the inside from here, this from front. So because looks like clean after put this one, but this is a plastic. This three already broken. So when I open this one, just stay here, but it's move like this. Already it's broken. So I use the transparent plastic and then reinforce with glue like this. So I think it works perfect. So right now it's solid, right? So I wanna put back like this again. So it's very weak part, this one. So when you open, try to open this cover and case, you should be careful. Also the outside this plastic cover like this, it's just plastic. If you drop on the floor, it's easily broken, very weak. So also you need to be careful when you open the cover. And then except that this carriage release lever, this plastic, this part was broken, missing actually. Especially in the winter time outside for free market, if you find this kind of typewriter, don't try this one because it's negative temperature. This part easily broken. I saw a lot. So never try inside in the winter time. Don't try this one. If you want to try, just lift up under the here. That's the same function like this. See? Yeah. That's the safe way. Now I take off the every part. Also the this part to clean inside, but electric one the easily take out this one, but this one does not take out. I don't know why. Normally the under here the electric one there is a screw, small screw, not this part. This part is just put in something like that kind of thing, but this one normally under the here there is a screw, but this one is a little bit different. No screw, like push and back, something like that kind of function, but it's hard to, so I don't want to break, so that's why I just clean. And also this one is a little bit special thing, is we can change the type bar, typeface, two of them. Right now it's like math root and then pi, and then this one is number one, and then another thing. Anyway, this typeface is Italic. So very cool. I will show you later. So this is another special stuff. And then this key is like already set up tap, regular. Okay, so this one is the touch control, little bit harder or soft, and then left other things. Everything is the same with the another typewriter. Just change different is this part. You can change the type bar, and then italic, and then this stuff, and then this one is a little bit different with the electronic Smith Corona stuff. And then that's it. Let's see some sample typing. Okay, thank you for watching.